Terra Classic looking to increase the burning of Terra Classic by 120% more than they would have been burning before. This particular month of June, yes, they are planning that even before the end of this month. We still have about 7 or 8 days to go, but yes, they are definitely going to burn over 120% more coins than usual. And this is good because this month has been good. This month has been fine, yes, towards crypto industry. Now I'm happy because yesterday we saw Bitcoin crossing $30,000. I was like, wow. Well, the truth is, last 2 months, BTC was able to cross $35,000, right? And last month, they were able to drop down to about $24,000. And yesterday, BTC bombed. Even right now, at the time of recording it in the past 7 days, Bitcoin is already hitting 20% increase in price. You see, that is a lot of money, over $5,000 to $6,000 more price increase. That's why BTC was able to reach 30,000. You are trading at 24,000 and 25,000. So something good is about to happen, and it will definitely affect different crypto coins. Terra Classic are already benefiting from this, and I'm happy that yes, this coin is already going to turn well. So I believe this month they are definitely going to burn more because we have seen a massive increase on the trading volume. We have seen people buying coins here and there, especially most of the trading that happened this month on Terra Classic was majorly on buy. And I'm happy, even though the 1.2% tax burn will burn coins, whether you're buying or selling, but the fact still remains. When people are buying more coins, the price will keep on increasing because we will keep burning more coins and the market cap will keep increasing. So I am happy that Terra Classic, they are able to at least increase the volume, which will definitely end up burning more Terra Classic coin. So I'm also happy that Bitcoin have actually crossed that mark this month, hitting over $30,000 price. So there's a possibility that before the end of next month, BTC might be reaching towards $40,000. And like I said, don't be surprised in the next 2-3 months you're seeing Bitcoin at 50,000. Like I said before, also one of my videos, if Bitcoin crosses $44,000 mark, BTC will be heading towards $55,000, almost getting back to where it was, over $65,000 price. Then definitely we are back again, and many coins will be increasing, many coins will be making a lot of profit, and I believe over some coins will earn over 1,000%. So let's hope for the best. Once again, remember, this is not a financial advice. Thank you.